Low Earth orbit is quietly hosting one of today's biggest technology battles. Satellites circling at similar altitudes are solving two entirely different problems using two fundamentally different engineering philosophies, Starlink and AST SpaceMobile. Both provide connectivity from space, but their operating principles diverge at the core. Let's start with Starlink. Starlink builds a network of thousands of small satellites orbiting about 550 kilometers above Earth. These satellites travel at roughly 27,000 kilometers per hour. On the ground, users rely on a special terminal called dishy, roughly the size of a pizza box. Thanks to phased array antenna technology, this terminal can steer its signal electronically, without any mechanical movement. The terminal continuously scans the sky and locks onto the satellite with the strongest signal. Because the satellites move so fast, this angle is updated thousands of times per second. Data is transmitted to the satellite using high-frequency Ku and Ka bands. From there, two paths are possible. The signal is either relayed directly to the nearest ground station, or inter-satellite laser links take over. These laser links allow data to be transferred from satellite to satellite at near light speed through space, an especially powerful advantage over oceans and remote regions. Just before one satellite moves out of view, the terminal seamlessly hands off the connection to the next satellite. The transition is so fast that the user never notices a drop. At its core, Starlink's philosophy is this: use a dedicated, powerful terminal to deliver very high speeds to a limited number of users. AST SpaceMobile, on the other hand, targets a completely different challenge. Providing space-based connectivity directly to ordinary smartphones, without any special hardware. That's why AST uses massive Bluebird satellites instead of small ones. These satellites deploy antennas exceeding 200 square meters in size. The goal is to capture the extremely weak signals, just a few hundred milliwatts, emitted by standard mobile phones from hundreds of kilometers away. The phone doesn't even realize it's talking to a satellite. It believes it's connected to a regular terrestrial base station. The satellite collects the signal using thousands of antenna elements, amplifies it, and compensates for the Doppler effect in real time. Specialized onboard processors manage thousands of devices simultaneously, effectively creating giant cellular coverage zones from the sky. In short, Starlink moves the internet into space. AST SpaceMobile moves the mobile network itself into space. The same orbit, two radically different engineering visions, and two very different futures.